So welcome back to Coursename Dev. In today's video, we are going to publish this app called Color Balls Sort Puzzle Offline. It is a puzzle that you sort balls. As you can see here, it is in the testing mode. As you can see here, the last update was 7 days ago, like that. So when you click on publishing overview or the dashboard here, you are going to see this message here: congratulations, your game has been granted Google Play production access. After applying, remember you have to test it for 14 days with 14 or more than that testers. So the first option here, you are going to select countries that our app will be visible in. I will just select all the countries for my app. So go to overview like that. Now we are going to go back, and you can see that this step have already been done like that. So the second option, or the second step, we are going to create a new release here like that, and we are going to upload. Remember, this is production, we are applying for production. Let us create new release like that. Wait for it to load, and you can see that the production state have been selected like that. So I'm going to drop my AAB file like that. You can see here I have already been able to create one. Sorry about that. I'm going to select the Chrome here, done, and just drop it like that. And you can be able to see that it have started uploading it. I'm not going to leave this page as it will disappear. So I'm going to come here, and you can see that my internet speed it is not that good. I'm going to copy notes from the previous release like that for this update like that. You can be able to see that we have already been able to publish these versions till version 5 like that, since we have already gone through the testing mode. We have been able to test this application with my testers for 14 days. So they identify the bugs, they identify where the app crashes and so on. So our version have already been tested well. That is the reason that you find that this version is version 5. So I'm going to click on it like that, and then just copy it here. You can be able to see it have already been uploaded. Now it is being processed to make sure, like for example, the key stores have already matched the previous versions. You own the applications and so on and so on. So let us just wait for it to load. Remember, I'm going to link this application in the comment section and in the first comment of this video so that you can check it out. So let us just wait for it to load. Like that, and you can be able to see that it have completed with no error. That means that we own the application, and we can proceed. As you can see here, this is version 7, since we have already uploaded the version 6 and it had some few errors. you can see here this is version 5. So version 6 had already been rejected, and we had to de-upload again, and this is version 7, which now will be actual release of this application. So with no much ado, let us just save it, and you can be able to see that our application has no either warning or errors whatsoever. So I'm going to just save it like that, and you can create notes now like that, and you can be able to see that our version 7 have been uploaded like that. Coming down here, you can be able to see that these have been disabled, and now we can move to send the version to review. So I'm just going to click on it, and you can be able to see that it is being scanned here like that. It will be scanned, either you have some dependencies that you have not declared in your terms and so on. So because I'm certain that I have solved all the issues, I'm going to submit the 3 changes, and you can be able to see that we have just 14 minutes. I'm not going to wait for that. I'm just going to send it to review like that, and we are going to wait for maximum of 7 days for it to be accepted. But I'm going to update you if we had errors or something to the application. After sometimes I came, and you can see that your changes have been sent to review. We may find additional issues when reviewing your application. So what we are supposed to do is just to wait for it to be able to be processed by the admins of the Play Store. Remember, you have to pay the $25 to get access to this account, the Google Play console. Now you can be able to see that our app have been accepted for production. No errors were found. So let us just click on test and releases, click on production here, and you can see that we have been accepted just a few minutes ago. So our application have been sent to production. Everybody can access our application through Play Store like that, and you can see that the version that have been able to go through is our version 7, which has 7 installs. So you can just view it on Play Store here. You can see that our application now is in Play Store. So I will link it in the description and the comments section. Remember to like this video and comment and share to your friends. Till next time, bye.